Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to delete a user profile in Windows 11. If you have an old account, unused profile or want to remove another user from your PC. So let's get started. So firstly go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Open Settings. Now go to Accounts. Scroll down. Here you will see, click on Other Users. Now select the user profile like this. Click on the account name to expand the options. Then click on remove. Prompt will become delete account and data. Then click on delete account and data. Window will show a warning message say that deleting that account will remove all file and data related. If you are sure, click on delete account and data. Windows 11 will now remove the user profile from your computer. This may take a few seconds. Here you will see the user will be removed successfully. You cannot delete the account you are currently logged into. And that's it. This is how you can easily delete user profile in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.